Hello guys, in this I'm going to show you what is credit balance and how you can use it in Temu. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, if you want to find out your credit balance, you can do it if you go to your profile, which is on the bottom of the screen in the middle, and now you should see the credit balance. Here you will see the total amount of money that you have. And if you do not know what is credit balance, is a kind of credit that Temu will issue to you from time to time as compensation for any inconvenience they may have caused you during your shipping experience with them, like the items you order are out of stock or the delivery takes longer than estimated. Temu may also issue credits to you as rewards if you participate in our promotional activities. You may also receive credits from us if you return items and choose to accept Temu credit balance instead of a refund to the original payment method. And you can see that there are some other information about the credit balance. I've showed you where you can check it and how to use your credits. Your credits will be applied automatically to eligible orders before you submit them. You don't have to do anything, but if you prefer not to use your credits for a particular order, you may change the amount of credits on the order confirmation page before submitting the order. So yeah, it says obviously that you cannot withdraw cash from your credit balance. You can just add to your orders, which means that you will pay less. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.